Hey everybody, Bert here with another social experiment. So check this out. The research shows that when it comes to having a successful virtual interview, the single most important factor is, can you guess it? It's not your camera, it's not your audio, it's not even your clothes. It's your light. So I thought, let's put it to the test. So I've been hearing amazing things about this light, the OlumiRing. Ta-da! Now I wanted to pick something that was easy to use and affordable. The test, it's gonna be simple. I'm gonna see if using better lighting actually produces better interview quality. Here we go. The OlumiRing is a super powerful light and just clips onto your device, pretty much any device like this. It's got different modes and you can adjust the brightness easily at the touch of this button. So before I was the most famous vlogger, believe it or not, I was an accountant. So I'm gonna apply for accounting positions so at least I know what the heck I'm talking about. I'm going to wear the same outfit for each interview and say the same thing in terms of experience. The only difference is, 2 of the interviews I'm going to use the OlumiRing and 2 of them I am not. All right guys, so I'm set up for my first interview. This is the light setup I'm gonna use. As you can see, it's not very clear. I've got a lot of shadows, so we'll see how it goes. Hello.
Hi, my name is Josh. May I please speak to Robert?
Yes, Josh, this is Roberto.
Hey, Roberto. Nice to meet you. How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm great, thank you.
Good. So I just wrapped up my first interview. I feel like it went well. The interviewer did mention that they had a hard time seeing me, so we'll see if that affects his decision. Okay guys, so this is the day after my first interview, and I've got the same setup here, except, boom! I've got the OlumiRing, and you can see it already looks so much better already. I'm gonna show you some different modes too. So it's a cooler setting, warmer setting, and then cycles off. So then I can also adjust the brightness. I can go down, and I can go up. Okay, but my interview is starting in a second, so I'll check back with you guys afterward. Hello.
Hi, Roberto, right?
Yes, how are you? Okay guys, second interview went as well as yesterday's. I've got 2 more interviews set up, and I'm gonna check in with you with the results next week. Hey guys, so it has been 2 weeks since my last interview. I got 1 result from my second interview, and I'm gonna play that for you guys right now.
Hi Roberto, this is Sarah from Solve. Just wanted to give you a call and let you know that we would love to have you join the team. So I'll send you another email shortly with an offer letter, and hopefully you'll be coming on board. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks so much, Roberto. Bye-bye.
That is amazing. So that was the call from my second interview with the OlumiRing, and so now I have my emails pulled up and I've got the rest of the decisions here. First interview, they told me that they went with someone else. Third interview, that was also my regular office lighting, said rejection letter. Final interview, the first lines read like this. Dear Roberto, thank you so much for interviewing with Ackerman Firm. We are so excited to extend you an offer to join our team for the Accountant 2 position. If you choose to accept the offer, we will begin onboarding processes immediately. That's 2 for 2, baby. Well, you guys, there you have it. Real results. In the interviews where I had the OlumiRing set up, they both extended offers. In the setups without the OlumiRing, both rejected. We all know that presentation matters, so it's not just about your work experience and it's not about what you wear. You have to make sure that your lighting is on point. So whether you're meeting with clients, doing meetings, or interviewing, you want to make sure that your lighting is leaving the right impression. All right guys, so the beauty of the OlumiRing is that it's also portable. So you can take it with you wherever you work. You clip it on and you're prepared. Also, there's a link below where you can get yourself one, your coworkers, and your friends.